Hello students, today we are going to talk about GUI operating system and desktop management. Students, let us understand how to customize the Windows setup. Setting date and time. Click at the extreme right of the notification area where you see the date and time. Select the Change Date and Time Settings option from the pop-up window. The Date and Time dialog box will appear. By default, the Date and Time tab is selected. To change date, click on the Change Date and Time button. The Date and Time Settings dialog box will appear. Select the current day in the displayed calendar. You can change the month using the forward or backward buttons present on the calendar. To change time. To change the hour, select the hour in the text box located below the clock. You can also make use of the spin arrows to increase or decrease the value as required. Similarly, you can change the minutes and seconds. Click OK. The date and time of the system will change accordingly. Setting volume of speaker. Click on the speaker's icon present on the notification area. In the pop-up window, drag the slider up and down to increase or decrease the volume respectively. Click the mixer if you want to separately control the volume of computer speaker and other sound devices. To mute the volume, click the Mute Speakers button. Students, let us understand what is the use of shortcut menu. When you right-click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears, which is called Context Menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. Right-clicking on the different areas and objects will display different sets of commands in the context menu. The context menu is also called the shortcut menu. You will find the Properties option at the bottom of the list. Right-clicking on the blank area of the desktop. When you right-click on the blank area of the desktop, you will find a menu with a list of options. The Personalize option can be seen at the bottom. Using the Personalize option, you can change the background, settings of the desktop, screensaver, appearance of icons, menus, message box, font, color, etc. and can also give various visual effects to them. Right-clicking on an object. When you right-click on any icon on the desktop, you will find an entirely different menu. The Properties option will be found at the bottom of the list. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Windows is a GUI operating system that has a graphical environment consisting of various icons and buttons. An operating system is an interface between the hardware and the user. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application-oriented than the previous versions of Windows. Jump List feature in Windows 7 takes you straight to the documents, pictures to the documents, pictures, songs or websites you have recently visited. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the screen. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders and programs. Windows 7 is quite flexible and provides options to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. When you right-click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears, which is called Context Menu or Shortcut Menu.